Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about skeletal muscle, tendons with aponeuroses and types of muscle. So now we are seeing the skeletal muscle. Here we'll see the parts. Okay. So here we are finding striations. You can see these are the striations. This very thick lines and thin lines you are seeing. Those are the light and dark bands of the skeletal muscle. Then you are seeing the peripheral nuclei here, and these are the prominent transverse striations, and outer sarcolemma also you can see that, and inner sarcoplasm also you can see. That briefly the parts. Let us see the difference between a tendon and a aponeurosis. So one important difference, tendon is a cord-like structure. Okay, so it's a cord-like structure that will attach the muscle belly to the bone. Okay, so just try to recollect. There is a muscle belly. Okay, to that there is one green color you are seeing. There is one green color which is attached to that muscle belly. Okay, that green color is attached to the bone. That green color strip. That green color strip is called as tendon. Example, Achilles tendon. That is a gastrocnemius. Okay. In Vishram Singh, please go and observe in the textbook for every muscle. The author has specifically drawn a green color strip after the muscle belly to indicate that as the tendon. Okay. Right. And then aponeurosis. If this is flatten this tendon, that is aponeurosis. For example, epicranial aponeurosis here in the scalp region. Okay, which layer of scalp is it? It is third layer of scalp, epicranial aponeurosis. Okay. Now let us see the difference between the shunt and spurt muscle. So please remember any one of these. If for example, if you remember shunt muscle, that's enough. Spurt will be exactly opposite. So what is shunt muscle? Shunt muscle is that muscle where its insertion is having proximal relation to the joint. Just remember what I am saying. It is that muscle which is having an insertion point proximal to the joint. Okay, proximal to the joint and act as a distal attachment. Exactly opposite is your spurt muscle. Okay, that's all. So references from where we took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much and see you in the next video.